Nisha can destroy her. Come out.
Nisha really can destroy her.
Okay, anyways, guys, this is Ziggy's other sister. You guys ever really see? Move now.
Yes, you know, one, because me notice say, what they have me there, I carry me down there, me church Jesus Christ, not the me I say. Me in I carry, and he will all take on a video. I said, nah, no, me not see nothing.
Wait, was I vlogging?
Existence.
I was vlogging?
Yes, that was Ziggy too.
Are you sure? Oh no, that's a lie. You're in that video. You just don't know which vlog. You're in it.
Are you feel look funny?
And you're like, don't video me.
Right
But anyways,
superstar. YouTube.
This is Ziggy's older sister.
YouTube.
I'm not Ziggy's oldest sister.
You're one of the oldest, the eldest.
Right on YouTube.
She's the second baby, guys. Isn't she cute? Look at her.
Me and him 5 years to fight already. Ask him what time to beat him up.
How much time he beat you up?
What?
How much time he beat you up?
Oh, the last time he beat me up. No, he beat me up. Yeah, trouble him. And he tell me if he stop like 5 times and me never stop until he go silent. And steal one scissors with a
Oh my god. In your back?
No, in my back of my foot.
Oh, don't you have a scar?
Yeah.
Ziggy, you scar your sister?
Say go like.
Bye? Boy?
He can't give all the trouble, eh?
Probably one feel left him alone, you know. I mean, they left him. Look, let me show you.
Oh, really?
I know he did it. See, right?
Oh god, Ziggy.
I'm born with destroyer, I guess, or something.
I lie, Ziggy. Neighbor, we know this.
True.
That's how rough you guys play?
Yeah, I am play rough.
Yesterday spot, they be almost bite out me, eh?
Oh my god.
Oh, God. No, me used to bother Ziggy for real, man.
Yo, one day, me ask Renette, say, yo, if a man save him, like him go dead, and one man save him, what you that do? You already say, what you want me to do? Fuck him, man. You might get serious for me. I'm just asking man one simple question like that. I say, yo, what you that do? You might just jump away. What you want me to do? Fuck him, man.
But what else me to do? You man save me, not just save me. What else you want me to do? What me to do? Just, me can just get up and say thank you for saving me, and that's all I can do. But what else can I do?
Ziggy and his sister's dissing me right now on my flat body. And she's telling Ziggy that he needs to come knead my body like flour.
Yes,
She's the faciest sister. No, I lied. Tovia's feisty, but this one. But this one's more like feisty funny. Yo, Bernard, let me tell you the first time. Okay, when I first started talking to Ziggy, okay. Camille came up to the restaurant and Tyrone's like, yo, that's Bada's sister. No, that's not what he called. He called Ziggy. That's Ziggy's sister, Ziggy's older sister. So I'm like, holy shit, I have to impress the sister. So tell me why she come there, right? And I was like nervous because she looked serious and she just looked mean. And I was so scared. And she came and ordered chicken. She doesn't eat chicken breast, Ziggy. I don't know if it's chicken breast she doesn't eat, but she came and she ordered chicken. I don't know if it was chicken breast that she didn't want. So Tyrone fucked up the order. And then I go out and bring out the chicken. This girl dashed back the chicken and said, that's not what I ordered. I didn't order this. And so walked up the shop. Yo, when I said I was so scared, the next time she came in, it was the same problem. I went to the back. I'm like, Tyrone, do not fuck up the order. Corey fuck up the first one. And this is Ziggy's sister. Like, I have to impress her. Yo, but Tyrone fuck up the order again.
Nisha, talk about
One more time?
Yes? And she just came and she...
Nisha. Watch out. Watch out.
I want that then.
Nisha can destroy her. Come out.
Nisha really can destroy her.
He's lying. How did that end up in your bag? You're lying.
Me bomba wall.
Oh my God.
XOXO, my love is very special. If you want it, you can have it. But don't take me for granted. So much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in JA. We can do it on that beach there. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Broke it, set it, broke it, set it, broke it, set it, broke it.
So guys, it is so brisk and like this wind is
just want to drink. Like, we just want to drink.
We're at the bar getting some drinks. Oh no, that's his. That's his. Can I get a You guys have the Bob Marley? Get the Bob Marley? Can I get that?
It's okay, it's like this.
We're touring the place, eh?
You never heard it, is it? No?
Yes. This is the front part. Bar?
Yeah.
This you're going for a drink right now?
No, not serious.
Oh. So this is one of the bars here. It's called Jigger Bar. Jigger. Okay. Okay. At the buffet right now. Oh my god. Steamed fish. Steamed fish. That's like look like the thing I had last night.
The what?
Yeah. Ooh.
What up?
I forgot what it's called, but we call it scallop, potato scallop. Let me do a quick tour and show you guys what's going on. I am. Guys, why is it raining right now and it's brisk on a different level? Freezing. I'm in Jamaica and I'm saying it's freezing right now. We're at the bar again. It's so dark.
Yeah, one more click them there, see me.
Oh yeah. One more of his boys. Watch him at work. Where? Shane, can I get a cup with Coke, please? Because right now I'm dying. It's not moving. Just half Coke. I know who you're trying to drunk. So yo, let me tell you guys how one time I got really drunk in Jamaica because of this guy. This guy right here gave me a tequila shot, got me drunk, and then Ziggy was so mad. Look at me, I come back again, he's made another drink, and it's strong, I cannot even drink it. I'm about to pour half of this in this. Guys, up to now, my cup won't move.
Oh, yo.
Oh, baby. You don't even know the words. That's the only part I know. Oh, baby. Wait, you want me to see you? But they're not gonna see. They're not gonna be able to see the things dropping. No, so I have to be in the camera.
Alright, come.
So yo guys, I'm about to beat this guy right now. You got my phone. it's freezing outside right now. I drank cup. I'm gonna attempt to go. Oh my god, they have jerk chicken, Ziggy. They have jerk chicken, or the jerk pork. Anyways, I'm attempting or wrap it up in towel. Let's see how it's cold outside, you know. Gee, they have jacuzzi.
Huh?
They have a jacuzzi. Over here, not that bad. Is this where we get the towel? Only one? Thanks. Ziggy, hold this. Like, yo. The breeze is all blowing my legs. The breeze was blowing my legs just now. Huh?
Not deep.
See, the water's not deep, but like no one's in the water. So I'm gonna be the first person in the water. I'm assuming I have to like shower first. I'm assuming I have to shower first. Yeah, that's what I usually want you to do. Watch out, catch the waves. Trying to run from the sun?
Yeah.
Look at the waves! You guys can probably hear like the breeze while I'm recording and like that's the waves. Nobody can go in this. I was about to go in the water, like I got ready to go in the water, and let me tell you guys how the water is cold. It's cold. Plus the breeze. Oh look, people are in the water now. So yeah, I was about to go in the beach, the salt water just now, but it's kind of cold. And look at the breeze, look at my hair. Let me see my hair blowing in one direction, you know the breeze is strong. Even the pool water is cold. No, I'm not nasty. So we're just here holding a meds, taking in the waves. I can't do you, I swear. You trying to take your selfie, lie.
No, with that picture me, I think me it's a breeze, so you.
Okay, let me start watching. About to go get one more drink before we go to the room. What are you gonna get? You getting a drink? You getting a drink? The breeze will not let my hair be great. I need to go wash my hair, to be honest. Hey, Ross?
I steer from camera, that's it.
And of course, we have the signing sheet here as well. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, we have our darts tournament that's at the Rasta Pasta coming up right now. So if you want to be a part of that, feel free to make your way over.
Right now.
This is what I'm talking about. You're really green. I'm pina colada.
What you be having?
That? Can I get a pina colada, please? A little bit of rum, please. No, put the vodka.
No, vodka tastes better.
You want fruits? The waves are so heavy. No, I'm coming now.